Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Nvidia GeForce Experience in your PC. So to get started, let us first know what is GeForce Experience. Well, GeForce Experience from Nvidia is a very important program for most of the people, especially for gamers, because if you're having a high-end graphic card, you can get many benefits like optimization from Nvidia GeForce Experience. So let's get started. First, you should go to your browser. Then go to the link that is given in the video description, which is nvidia.com/nos/GeForce/GeForce Experience. From this link, you can download GeForce Experience. And in this website, you can get to know the users of GeForce Experience. So let's download GeForce Experience. So then after clicking the download button, it should start the download, and wait a few minutes until the download is completed. Okay guys, the download has completed, so we are going to open the installation program. So when we go to download folder here, we can see a program known as GeForce Experience version 3.23.0.74 EXE. So this is the Nvidia GeForce installer program. So let's run it to install Nvidia GeForce Experience in your PC. And here we can see the program is initiating. It will take a few minutes to install GeForce Experience in your PC, so just stand by. Just click on agree and install, and wait for the software to do its job. So guys, the installation is complete and just waiting until GeForce Experience launches. Here we go. then you should sign in with your account, the Nvidia account. So guys, after you sign in, you can get a little tour of GeForce Experience. So guys, today we learned how to install Nvidia GeForce Experience in your PC. So do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you think that you will learn something new. So guys, see you in another video like this. Bye guys.